Kelly, and I am coming to you from my scrap room, and this is actually the side of the room that's basically opposite of my desk, so you never see that unless you've seen a scrapbook room organization video. So that's kind of fun, but I wanted to do sort of a life update and a channel update today. So first of all, you can probably tell life is crazy busy. I started my channel when I was single, and I started doing the lives in 2020 when I wasn't going anywhere, literally, and many of us were not. And then I met my boyfriend about, I don't know, about 9 months or so after that. Things started to get busier, and now my grandkids are older, so they're 5, 6, 8, and 11, and they're participating in sports and having fun, and mom and dad need some more support, and just life is just getting busier. So I thought it was time to do a channel update as well. So I have made a decision for now to actually put my video making on pause. It was not a decision that I made easily. I have been thinking about doing this for a few months because the making and editing of videos was starting to feel like a job and not my hobby. And that shouldn't be. I also found that I was spending the majority of my scrapbooking time making videos and then editing videos versus truly scrapbooking and documenting my life and my grandkids' life. And that's why I got into this hobby to begin with, is to do that. And just the way the cyclical nature of life, it went the other way. And so I was finding that I didn't want to scrapbook, and when I really found myself not wanting to come into my scrapbook room, I thought, I love this hobby. What's going on? And I figured out that that's what it was, that it was really me needing to produce something every week, or 2 somethings. So I did think about doing just 1 video a week, but I sat with that for a while. That did not even feel right to me. So as I said, I've decided to take a pause for now, and not promise you anything. I am hoping that I will be able to pop in here and every so often, maybe when I'm doing a Paris video or a layout or a Disney layout or something else, just pop in and show you a process video. So if you have your bell notifications turned on, leave them on. I'm not planning to end things. I just need to take a breather and figure out how to make this work in my crazy busy life so that I have time to document the things I want to, but also to have the fun part of YouTube going on at the same time. The other thing that this will affect, or actually I hope that it's not going to affect, is my December daily. I know there's a number of you who really enjoy the December daily process, and I'm thinking that I'm going to continue to do December daily this year, just like I have in the past years, where I do a page every day. Last year made me wonder, but last year I don't think we can count as normal, because if you guys remember, I was very, very sick last December, and I probably should have been resting even more than I was resting, which made that process hard. So I think when I feel better this year, it'll be fine, and I'm not so worried about it. I'm going to do December daily. I love it. And if I can do it live with you, that makes it pretty easy, because I'm going to do the process anyway. And that is the thing. So I'm hoping that maybe I can come back and do some more lives, like pop in on a Sunday afternoon and do some lives with you. And maybe if I'm scrapbooking, that's what it looks like to do a layout, do that, and then go back and do other layouts. But I don't know that for sure. Right now, I'm just gonna play around with it and see how I feel. I do know that it took me a while to make this decision, and once I made it, and I made it a while ago, a little bit more than a month ago, I think, from the time that I'm videoing this. I'm videoing it a couple days before you'll see this, that once I made the decision, I felt relief, like I didn't have a job I had to do, and that's not good. It's really not, because this is a hobby and I want it to remain that way. I can tell you that I am ever so grateful for each and every one of you who has watched, who has commented, who I feel like are friends of mine, even though I may have never met you in person. And I don't want to lose that, but I need to take a pause from the creating for now. So like I said, leave your bell notification on and we'll just sort of figure out what's going to happen going forward. If I think I know I have some time and I'm going to do something, maybe I'll, shoot something into YouTube and let you know that I'm going to scrapbook that night, do a scheduled thing or something like that. I'm hoping that maybe over Labor Day weekend I might have a chance, but we'll see. I don't know quite what that weekend's going to look like for now. But anyway, so pause on the regular scrapbooking layouts on Tuesday and Saturday right now. December daily plan going forward, I think will be as it's looked every year. I know Ellie Studio is coming out with the product on Thursday. You're going to see this on a Tuesday. They're coming out with product on Thursday for December daily. So you should see a video about that for me when I receive that product. So you guys, again, thanks so much. It was a super hard decision for me to make, but right now I know it's the right one, and I'm looking forward to being able to scrapbook again with you, but not under so much pressure. Take care, everybody. Bye.